Selling your products online is a must in order to grow your business. But choosing an e-commerce platform can be difficult. Let's take a look at BigCommerce, a world leader in building online stores. On their homepage, you can already see some of the amazing features that BigCommerce offers. They allow you to easily sell your goods on almost any platform, including Amazon, eBay, and via social media. Plus, they make the shipping and tax process super easy with a robust app store offering hundreds of relevant apps. BigCommerce offers various packages depending on your needs. Their standard plan is $29.95 per month. The Plus plan is $79.95 per month, and the Pro plan is $249.95 per month. There is also an enterprise custom plan for larger businesses, but that will require custom pricing from a BigCommerce representative. All these plans include some great features, like a built-in social media store, unlimited bandwidth, a variety of shipping options, strong security, a mobile store, and of course, no transaction fees. However, the standard plan does not include an abandoned cart saver, which can help you win back customers who left your store. And neither the standard or Plus plan include product filtering or Google customer reviews. With the standard plan, you are limited to making $50K in sales per year, the Plus plan up to $150K, and the Pro plan up to $400K. BigCommerce offers you a free 15-day trial, no credit card required. So let's test it out. After providing basic details such as your email and the name of your store, you will be asked other questions such as whether or not you plan on connecting your store to a current website. If you don't have a website, no problem. BigCommerce will provide you with a free custom domain so you can begin selling almost immediately. Adding products to your online store is easy. You simply input the name, price, description, and other details about your product. Add a stunning image and click on View Store to see it live. BigCommerce offers a wide variety of themes so that no matter what type of products you're selling, there is a theme that can work for you. Though most themes cost extra, there are a limited supply of free themes you can use and customize. Managing these templates can be a bit confusing because you need to set almost all the features like logo, sliders, and web pages in the main panel. Let's try customizing the theme for our online store. We can even try switching to a different theme and previewing how it will appear to customers on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Here, you can also add your logo, social media links, and start writing a blog for your store. You can control and add new products in the product panel. Enter the price and then add a description and photos. You can also use the Avalara product tax code for each of your products. On the template customization page, you can control your page's outlook by changing the position of your logo or adding payment icons. On the app page below, you will see a list of available apps you can connect to your store, like accounting and tax apps. They offer TaxJar, Xero, and many more. In terms of payment options, BigCommerce is extremely flexible, making it easy for your customers to order online. In addition to offering PayPal payments, they also offer offline payment methods such as check and money order. In total, BigCommerce offers more than 10 online payment methods. Payment can be processed in almost every currency. Their checkout page is also extremely easy to use and is optimized to reduce friction and increase sales. The responsive, minimal design allows customers to comfortably check out on any device. Once your new store is set up, you can share it with your friends and colleagues using a special URL code. You can gather feedback and publish the store whenever you're ready. BigCommerce also offers a comprehensive set of built-in SEO tools to ensure that customers can reach your stores quickly and easily. Overall, here are the main pros. 15-day free trial, no credit card required, a near 100% uptime, 24/7 live customer support, no transaction fees, easy shipping and tax automation tools. But there are also some cons. Limited amount of free themes, dedicated account managers available only in the enterprise plan. For businesses of any size, BigCommerce offers a great solution that can help you build a well-functioning online store.